1798. Pneumatic means breath of life, and we start with the first respiratory hospital, the Pneumatic Institute in Bristol. 1844. Horace and Wells employ nitrous oxide for the first time in a dentist, using copper cylinders. In 1885, Dr. Holtzapfel administers oxygen using cylinders. 1917. During World War I, John Haldane writes what was for many years the definitive text on respiratory administration after his experience of toxic gas exposure. We then jump to the 50s, where pin index valves are developed to segregate gas uses. 1953. Shortly after this, James Havelock begins using cryopreservation techniques to preserve cells. 1958. Light aluminium cylinders move from scuba to medical use. In 1971, Starbucks kicks off in Seattle. In 1974, a stick of Wrigley's gum is the first barcoded item in a US supermarket. This extra data leads to a profound impact on supply chains and the growth of supermarkets. 1975. Thomson and Lilly terrorise cricket while the first laparoscopic procedures take place with carbon dioxide insulation. 1976. Lightweight composite carbon fibre and aluminium cylinders arrive. 1977. MRI technology is developed using helium for superconducting magnets. 1996. Cylinders gain integrated flow and pressure regulation. 2006. In Australia in 2006, we started to track our cylinders using those Wrigley barcodes. For people that care, and hospitals and mines care most, it's a similarly profound impact on information. A C-size medical oxygen cylinder costs about the same as a Starbucks cappuccino. The commercial opportunity is in supply chain, not gas price. Asset tracking strongly links with the rapid increase in mobile technology and data processing. These generate reporting insights to ensure that you never run out but don't hold too much, manage losses and shelf life, and responds to incidents with that extra information. For the last 2 years, we have been on an unprecedented change program. Starting in Queensland at Toowoomba Hospital in July 2017, before progressing to Victoria and New South Wales, we have worked seamlessly with state health and hospital teams to make a large series of transitions. The counters show the scale involved in beds, bulk tanks and cylinders. The bulk tanks are a hospital's lungs, and every change is a major engineering project with close collaboration of engineering teams. There are approximately 25 different cylinder products for mobile use, with each requiring clinical checks, nurse training, and the need to fit a broad range of equipment in wards and ICUs. These changes indicated above have gone very smoothly, if not without challenges. Currently, we are at 80 bulk tanks, over 26,000 cylinders, and a lot of beds. Through technology and by shining a light on some areas that have been untouched for a long time, we have been able to deliver substantial savings, operational improvements, and better patient outcomes. We have been proud to work alongside many health professionals and together challenge the stereotype of the rate of change that can be achieved in many sectors when the will is there. And finally, a comment on the future. We see IoT as a game changer in hospitals. We were pleased to receive the National IoT Healthcare Award. This technology is rapidly approaching commercialisation. We have been able to gain new insights into the use patterns and potential for increased asset utilisation of a broad range of hospital equipment. That brings us to 2019. Our achievements are possible because of our people.